Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you're an essential oil enthusiast like I am, then you've got to check out this amazing waterless diffuser from AirScent. I was on the hunt for a large capacity diffuser and something that was wireless so that I didn't have to think about cords, plugging things in, and something with a remote and waterless. This just ticked off all the boxes, plus it is so cool looking. I love the modern, sleek design of this diffuser, and I got this really cool finish on it called carbon steel. One of the other things I love about this diffuser is the scent never gets dull. So if you've ever used a diffuser that also contains water, you'll notice after an hour or two, you can't really smell the fragrance anymore. But because this is waterless, you're getting this amazing puff of scent however often you have it set for. So because I'm in a smaller area, about 300 square feet, I have it on the low setting, so when it does put out scent, it's just a couple seconds of ultrafine mist. It's not overwhelming, and it just fills my entire place with this amazing smell. I did notice that the power button, when it's charged, the light does not go off of that, so I went ahead and just put a piece of black tape over the top of it when it's in my bedroom because I don't like any kind of light when I'm sleeping. I found this really easy to clean. The company recommends using rubbing alcohol and it comes apart. You can just use a Q-tip, pour a little bit in there, swish it around. You're gonna wanna do that about once every month so that it stays in working order. I've used lots of diffusers over the years and this is a top of the line diffuser. You're not gonna be disappointed with it, and that's my point of view.